the Eric Salkup channel, which should show up under the stream chat. Why does this only show up with Ericans? I guess it's because the server is Ericans. But does it show Twitch even? Interesting. It's video games. Okay. I'm going to open Roblox Studio 2. Close. Save place. Save changes is no. Go to VS Code. I'm going to delete this project. Where is this located? Wait. Where are you? Reveal File Explorer. Oh, it's on Disgusting. Okay, that's even better. How about I just like right click or I just press backspace? Oh, that doesn't work. I press delete. Okay, great. What about I close out of this, I close out of this, and then I just click on the little delete icon, the trash can. And it goes bye-bye, and I don't have to worry about that. I open Visual Studio Code. That will open. Go to open folder, OneDrive. It's going to be located right here, Roblox. Inboxing. I don't want this LSP needs disabled. I can restart the extension, then I can go down to this one and I can enable it, and I can enable it, and then I can reload the window. It's listening on that port, and I can open Roblox Studio for the boxing UI stuff. And then what else? Knit template, Steven. I think I need a knit template. I need to work on UI. So I also need to mute desktop audio so I can have auditory stimulus while I work. Yeah, we'll just go through the liked. One second. Hello. Full camera. Main. How long does it take for an antibiotic to work? Like a couple between 2 and 3 days? I think it'll take probably longer, but it'll take probably a couple weeks. So I feel like I just keep it at this scale and then I design it accordingly with the other UI using maybe pixel values. iPhone X. Let's do like an iPhone 7. I want to know if it works on an iPhone 7. It does, like really well actually. Workspace.mip. Then I connect it. Green. This should automatically be connected, excluding anything that deals with Rojo. Rojo's listening, so I connect with Rojo and it's connected with Rojo. Okay, what do I do now? I'm gonna start with the. Do I do the menu or do I do the? I don't know which one to do. Maybe I do the menu because I don't know what to fill this UI with. I could mess with different layouts. So I could be like, here's what I want my ideal menu to look like, and then I can fill in the data with other things later. Which is kind of what these buttons is like. So let's do that. Or I could even make a way to close it. Like a little arrow or something right here. But I think I should make it like functional. Like you click it and it actually opens a real UI thing. I also don't like the menu icon. I could probably find something better. Same with stats as well. Like stats isn't filled in. Here, let's go to the UI labs. Where is the icon pack? Here's the icon pack. So what would show like working out? That's filled in. Can I filter by I need menu and working out. The wallpaper one maybe works, but I don't know. Widgets? Storage. I'm looking at these thinking like, okay, if I was to look for an icon, do I make it child friendly? Umbrella, wash, stroller tape, soap, spa. Font to download, file copy. So we're at editor. Like I've tried looking for like menu. And I don't like these. Copy. Whee. What? Da 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 da. Oh. I am trying to figure out. Okay, wait, but yeah, it's the button. It's the sidebar story. Oh, it's not. It's the sidebar. Oh. The menu is going to be this ID. Which that is better. Yes, I agree that is better. But what do I do for like working out? Like strong, like weight, like muscle. Let me have a look, Simu. Revamping something from your old game. Bum, 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 bum. Interesting. I uh I need to find a working out icon. That's my goal right now. Just something that indicates that you're working out your muscles or shows stats or boxing. Oh my god. Count box. This also works too in theory. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to move it to the stats. So the icon is going to be that looks better, I think. That can support a replicator. Whoa. What? You make a replicator as a module. You have a state with a count of 3 and a model that be our instance. Test replicator equals replicator.new. Tag equals, oh, you have a tag even as well, and the initial state. And then the folder parent. Get state change signal, like get property change signal, and then count. So you're looking for the when the count changes, and you connect to a function with a new value and old value, and you can warn these, and then you have a separate thread where you're waiting 1 second, and then you're setting the count to 10, and then you're printing the count. That's cool. Very cool, Mew. That was way too many X's on how I'm spelling syntax. How? I don't know where to start with this. Menu, stats, aura, and shop. I could start with the shop and then do the money stuff. I still don't like the menu icon as well. I'm so indecisive. Let me remove this and just start scrolling some more. Let me see if I can just find something that I'm like, yes, that screams menu. Nice. Like maybe some of these? View carousel? Because these are like thick images and this one is like just thick lines. And I want like a full solid image for consistency purposes. Oh, why is the mic falling? Stay up. Local library. I mean, that one would work technically. Menu book? Oh, me? You know what? Maybe I can see the potential here. Copy, and then inside of this menu, delete inner word, paste the ID. It changes to that. I don't like it. Backpack is almost there, but that's more like inventory. Oh, edit. Hello? I can't see these. Insert chart. Oh, this one might actually work because it's like it's got little lines to indicate you're like changing and toggling things. Maybe a better word for this would be settings. But this one would work for stats though, right? I should honestly flip these around. That's way better. Okay, I think I need to make an actual frame now, like we intended to before, where we have like an entire directory for shop. So that way I can have some content that is like inside, like, you know, some component that actually makes the full shop and have experience with that whole process. And then I can just like beg Mew to guide me through making it better and ask for improvements. And make the desk sit upward. So I have to stand. And then wake myself up. Ugh. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I'm pressing the wrong. Yeah, there. That's how I can fly between paragraphs. Be right back. This is going to be an extremely low energy stream because I'm feeling tired, and I don't think it has anything to do with medication. It has to do with the Genshin. Or it has to do with the bad, a lot of reasons. Melatonin, but also the fact that I went to bed at a really weird time. So, menu, stats, aura, shop. Let's just go down the list. Let's start with menu. New folder. Menu. I will name it minutes. Is that how the other one works? Yeah. I almost want a capital I though. I would do a state for this to display the different menus. How do I do a different state? Is that the hooks? Or is that something different? No, that's what we should set up. We should set up a way to go between the different menus using React. There we go. Where I have the same sized menu that comes up for, no, maybe I don't want that actually. I'm thinking like if you're in like the stats menu and you're like training and working out or boxing or whatever, you might just want to see like, well, you don't want it to cover your entire screen, but you can still see the stats while you're boxing, which might require me maybe making the same frame for all of or the same size frame for every menu, but then adding like functionality where I can make it like a third of with a full size or whatever. React use state current menu. Much to learn with little React. So it's literally called use state then. So I can look at the React API. Go into TDS. Okay. We just added a multi-menu system today. Damn, son. You were working on DJ stuff. I saw you in game doing like a DJ thing. And the thing you sent me too, which was very cool. Why I should just favorite TDS. So it's like conveniently in my favorites where I can just navigate to the favorites and there it is. Starting Roblox. Where is this multi-menu? Oh, you're telling me already without even me asking. You just know. If you click play survival, it will show up. Okay. Cool loading. I like it. That's probably React as well. Everything's React. Claim my 1-day streak. A DJ rework is crazy. That's a lot of work. And why does the leaderboard probably hasn't changed, but it looks cool still. Okay, you said play survival. It will show up. Oh. You said a multi-menu system. That? This is gorgeous. I'm guessing this is Mew right here. Maybe it's not. Maybe you have like a core system that you use to display error messages like that. Solo. Game found. The playing count is cool. Yeah, that's all very nice. It almost makes me want to like design more art for my UI. Let me I've never played your game. Let me play your game real quick. On like a, oh, is this Are the stars the difficulty level? Vote for a map to start the timer. Crystal Cave sounds the coolest. Ready. 4, 3, 2, 1. That's cool text. I like the text. They're going out this way. Wow, those arrows are fire. That means I have 6 seconds to place one of these guys down. And I cannot place it here. Where do I play? Oh, it's a sniper. It needs to go on one of these guys, right? So it'll start like sniping them. But it has like a delay of, yeah. Interesting. And I need $200. I can see my dollar count here and here. So I can place this guy down with $200 if I put him like right here. Your tower. Oh. Quick burst of damage on these enemies, and we'll do just fine. Wow. Game is beautiful. Skip wave? Yeah, we're gonna go hardcore. A bonus amount of money. That means we need another sniper. I can't place it here. What do you mean? There we go. Upgrade. I have no money left, but I do have 2 snipers, which means like, how do I cancel? Oh, with Q? If I click on it, then it shows up. I love the animations. The animations are so good. But this is what I'm thinking for like the stats frame as well, for like if you're boxing or whatever. You might want, well, you're not upgrading really. I don't think you are. Maybe you do. We have an upgrade system. I should really talk to the people that are in charge of like the game itself and be like, hey, what exactly do you want, guys? I need some more direction. But I guess I can just play with, oh, those are fast. It's very simple. Then, because I don't have direction, game can get very complicated fast. Oh, wait. What do you mean? You showed me some things before. Like, you showed me you can like scale out menus or something. Whoa, what is that? Yeah, I definitely need to like have some more soldiers out here that are willing to shoot on first sight. Okay, upgrade, 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 upgrade. Nice. Murder. And they're almost out of range. Here you go. Have some money. Wave reward 700, wave reward 200. Make sure it's close to the path. Oh, this one? Did I move them? So I can sell it with E, but I don't really want to sell it. I don't think I can. That would ruin the point of a tower defense game. Skip wave? No, we're like struggling over here. Come on, snipers. Snipe more. So I should place them like here? $800 and $200. Hey, that's crazy that it's an actual game. You can move the bar tower with, oh, really? You can move them with an ability. You currently have starter towers. They act really simple. Normal boss. That is what I don't like about tower defense games, is you have to like win with bad units to make it fun. So like the entry point doesn't feel as stimulating as an RPG, which has a quicker gameplay loop where you like go in, you like slash a thing and you like level up instantly and you can like get better abilities as you're attacking an enemy. It's like so instant, but they act really simple. Place a lot of scouts and upgrade them. Okay. Scouts. Let's place a bunch of them then, like over here at the start to make sure they can't leave. So let's place scout, goat, Like this. My tower defensing now. Oh, I have so much money. Max them out. You can use E. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough money, Mew. Really fun game, though. Try this after getting a new tower in the shop. Yeah, okay. We'll do that then. We will absolutely do that. I'm giving you free play testing. Free, like, first time, never played your game before user experience to make whatever feedback you can get with that. Enemies beta. Mob models are replaced with refreshed models. Oh. These guys are like mowing down the ones that go really, really fast. The blue ones. Fully upgraded. 750. Okay, 2,250 is the one I need for a full upgrade, but I can do the 750 one. Or the $25 one. How many rounds are in the one I selected? That's a lot. That's a complicated settings menu. Wow. Oh, here it was. The UI scale. You were showing me you can literally change the entire scaling of the UI. Which should just be the UI scale object, I think. Oh, fully upgraded and fully upgraded. Nice, we have two of them fully upgraded. Looks like the zombie horde is summoning a necromancer. Oh no. Don't let them get the chance to raise even more zombies. I think 25. 25 rounds? Oh, we're at 13 then. This is helping me understand the UI that I want to make. Obviously, I'm not just going to copy and paste, but I do like to look at the layouts and analyze. Oh, there's an animation on that. Oh, if I select this, you have this laid out in this type of way with buttons here and here. If I was to make the upgrade UI though, of course I am new, but I would move the keys to be together. That upgrade UI is completely remade, by the way, for the new update. Because I think like the E and the X look a little, they're not bad, but I would move them to be more consistent, where you have upgrade button, sell button right here, and then key right here, so it looks nice and perfectly aligned and everything. And that's how I just wasted all my money on this guy. These guys have two guns, I just realized. Is a necromancer. Upgrade them. Oh. Okay, I need 1,600 health taken away. They seem to be doing a pretty good job. Your snipers need to... Yeah, you're right. Oh, 4,000? 4 grand? Okay, give me 1,500, please. Give me... Please give me 1,500. We probably have to take the slow boss down to get that money. Oh, we have it. Nice, there you go. 2 snipers with upgrades, and then 4,000. Hey, we're almost at 4,000, though. A fast boss that's also hidden? You gotta be kidding me. Can the sniper see the one that's hidden? Also, you can't hear... Let me, like, make the stream more satisfying. There you go. Actual sound effects. Hi, what's up? Hello, Dark Nestino. I am playing the best tower defense game on Roblox to figure out how to make my own UI. And because I just want to play the game, because it's a cool game. I've never actually played it before. Look at all the work Mewis did all by himself. This is a one-person team. Oh, I have 8,000? Okay, upgrade. Upgrade. There is particles. Skip wave. Yes. Give me that money. Okay, more snipers. Quick zombies are closing in. All right, here is a sniper. So we're going to add a third one up here. And then we're going to max them out. You don't have enough money. Ow. Give me the money. There we go. 20. I hope we're going to die for a second there. You need to have voice actors. I know all these guys are fully upgraded. I don't even know why I'm clicking on them. Oh, he's not though. Let's put more. More scouts. Place a lot of scouts now. Oh, hey, look, I was doing it before you even sent the message. I'm so good at the game, Mew. Except you said place them close. Maybe I'm not good because now these guys are in the middle. But I don't think it... The radius is around here, so... Give me more money so I can upgrade this one. Money, 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 money. $300. There we go. Fully upgraded. I can place this little guy here, right here, right here, right here, right here. I've got some upgrading to do. We'll start with this one. The snipers come in helpful long range. There's no music though, unless I turned it off. Place 40 troops. I see. Oh, music is rip. They're all fully upgraded. How can I see how many I have down already? Total spent. What? Keyboard. Hot bar. The red bar. Oh, I see. That checks out. Like I only have half the troops I can place down. Meaning, let me place more. How far can these snipers reach? Nice. Well, Gravedigger. That's a lot of health. That's a ton of health. Uh-oh. I might need some snipers, but I might just need more of them over here. I have 13 grand. Let's just place like one guy here, one guy here, one guy here, one right here, one right here, one right here, and then just upgrade all of them. Uh-oh. I might get him. He's almost at half and I have to go through all of this still. But this is where the most damage is going to go. It's where most of my units are at. I have 7,000. Where's the one that I didn't fully upgrade? Ellen move. That might actually be a smart idea, but what if I don't want to? What if I just place more? I should have done this earlier, but that's okay. He's dead. You're ruined. You're finished. And I get a bunch of money. I can also just add snipers over here on like... Did I win? Or is this the final wave? Nope. I win. Triumph. Crystal Cave. 14-minute game. 50 XP, one of these things, and 250 coins. So now I can like get better units. Won't play a full other game, but I will hop into see what other units exist in the shop. $600 Robux. Powers. Sniper, paintballer, hunter. Demo man. What do you recommend for a first purchasable unit? Or do I have to like roll and gamble my life away? I have soldier. Soldier is 400 coins. Cheap and effective burst tower, great for beginners. Paintballer 150, 250. It's actually the most expensive one. Oh, because these are Robux. Rook boss, freezer. Only I had like a 500 more coins. Rocketeer, ace pilot. Oh, where was the one you showed me? A cool plane that flew around. The monetization model on this game is pretty nice. I like it. Although I wish I could buy it with coins too. Ace pilot. Oh, it is this one. Okay, let's go with the soldier. I'm giving you premium payout being in here. Had fun. Whoa, it's a lot of people. Gee. Kind of chill here and buy their units. All right, let's play survival and see what the soldier does. Casual new user. I'm new. Host trio squad. I could go with other people, but no, I want to see what I can do on my own. Tower defense simulator. Okay, let's try the toy board. That sounds cool. Arrow. The arrows are so helpful to know which side you're starting. Place a soldier at 500. Does what? For me. I got some more money. I can put another one down real shortly. And I don't trust. Alright, there we go. Now I can get one. I just want to max them out and then I'll figure. After that, I gotta max a soldier out. Oh. Next, upgrade the 50 all the way over. I wish it would show me the next radius. Unless it doesn't improve range. Maybe it does. Or both. No, I don't think it does. Also my oh no. Oh no. Pretty strong at max. I should have placed him a little bit over more. Look at that soldier. He's spawn camping. All I need is 4,700. Let me just like have more units go quickly so I can skip them. Come on, take it down enough before it goes out of range. 50 from that. Okay, cool. I shouldn't be at risk now in theory. I should be good enough to just save money. I love the money animation here. I had to design those too. They're horrible. Bro, I launched the Circus Tower Defense code like I did the gameplay code, and then I realized, oh wait, farm units don't exist, and this is a feature in the game. So we had to like revert the version back, and it was so stressful. Farm units are traumatizing. It was like a barrage of players screaming, "There's no farm units! Where's the farm unit?" So this is max now. Different gun and everything. That looks like a Scar. Deadliest Soldier, fully upgraded. I want my soldier to look like that though. Do I have to get skins for him? Do I still get rewards and points and stuff if I'm like getting through a wave, or do I have to beat the game in order to get any type of XP? Because if I have to win the entire game to get experience, I might as well just stay until 25 then. I have to beat it. Kind of mean, Mew. You're taking more premium payout because now I have to stay here and win. Should be fun with this. Look at those breakers. Enemy. Oh. And the Necromancer, I revamped those. Happy how they came out. Let me see what you're talking about. Armored, unless there's just gonna be armored that spawn and not breakers this time. Oh, those are the breakers. They are very cool, Mew. I can win just with soldiers, I think. I love the animations on every enemy. It's really good. Loud thuds in the distance. I don't like what I'm hearing. It sounds like something huge is coming. Prepare! Yeah, it's called not enough money to upgrade. That's the huge part. It's called financial responsibility. I like the map a lot. Map's very cool. Gotta be kidding me. Alright, let's drop a sniper out here. Fun. Couple of them. You know what? Maybe 4 of them. Why not? Let's make some happy snipers. could even do 8 snipers, which would be crazy. Oh, these are bolts. That checks out. I'm gonna try to pay attention to the enemies this time. What are the blue ones that jump? Breaker breaks into a small version. Oh. It's recursive. Did you use recursion to make the breaker? I see. Enemy system is really robust. These soldiers are strong. I'm impressed. Good job, soldiers. I like the bone sound effect for the necromancer. Goodness, I see. So there's a third version of the breaker. That's so many breakers. I love the breakers. I think the breaker's my favorite unit. Enemy, sorry. I do like skip waves because it saves time. I didn't even realize there was a bed here. We must... Oh, never mind. I guess we won't be investigating the bed. That's just supposed to be background. Is that a dinosaur? That's a dinosaur. What if someone comes through the room? Comes through the door? That'd be terrifying. Come on, I can get it. I can get it. I can't get it. We have 25. Did it. It was fun. I like the game. It's addictive. I could see myself playing video game and trying to get units and spending Robux on units if I really like the game. And that's very satisfying Triumph music as well. I love that snare. Okay, return to lobby. That was cool. I still don't know how it's going to help me with my UI. But I enjoy just playing the game for the sake of the game. Codes. Paradoxum Games and Below Natural. Below Natural must be your boss, the CEO of CEOs. You showed me your character. We saw all the characters. Is that you right there? Did I? This is the bear. Your team is like 95% furries. Go, content engineer. Maybe I made that stat up. I don't think I made that stat up. So in order to get accepted as an engineer to Tower Defense Simulator, you must be a furry of some sort. It looks at me. I didn't even realize that the models look at me. That's kind of cool. Is that a real Dominus? Okay, that was fun. I enjoyed my actual proper playtime of Tower Defense Simulator. Time to go back to no music and sadness. Goodbye desktop audio, but music for me. Oh, I guess I didn't even get to see the new. You did show me the DJ booth though. In studio, I think I saw what the DJ booth looked like, and I saw it in the UI, but I didn't get to see it in game. What's now? What's now after that? Oh, state React.use state. We were gonna figure out what that does. Trailer is good. Oh my god. This is way more work than I thought would exist in a Roblox trailer. Who made this? You have like, I guess you have like 80 artists though. That is a very good trailer. Use state. React. That use state. Use binding. So I should look for a use. It's a React hook that creates a state variable that can be used and updated by your component. Updating the state will cause the component to re-render. Local function click counter. Count and set count equals react.use state 0. So you set 0 as the state, which is the count, and then if you want to set it, you say set count. So every time they click on it, you call set count, and then pass in count to the text initially, but you keep setting count plus 1. Interesting. Note that Luau does not have a syntactic sugar for deconstructing like JavaScript. Oh. However, it does support multiple values, so React Lua supports a very similar usage. Value equals set value equals. That's cool. And then what is use effect? Is a React hook that causes a side effect to run after the component's render has completed, allowing synchronization with external systems. That's a lot of words. I like the way they break the code down with different colors though. That's kind of cool. What do I need to do now? We're gonna set up a system that lets me switch between different menus. So much work. Okay. My playtesting. I have a perfectly fine UI labs. I guess it is muscle memory to click those buttons, not order. Why am I so tired, bro? What do I do to not coffee? What are other alternative solutions to like staying awake? How to not be tired? Eat often, get moving, lose weight, sleep well, reduce stress, talk therapy, cut out caffeine. I'm only drinking 1 caffeine a day. Drink less alcohol. I'm not. I don't drink alcohol. Scroll all the way down and there's a button called no. Ooh, please. What? Wait, where? Scroll down where? In React? There's no way the actual React documentation has that. The official one. I'm confused, Mew. And my brain is not. Maybe I shouldn't play games first, but I kind of have to. Maybe I should indeed develop first. Let's go. I just designed the UI with. Oh, here's UI Labs Storybook, right? How do I? Okay, I have an idea. I go and I inspect it with not that, with this. And I grab the sidebar story, sidebar, the sidebar. And then I just like copy you, go over here into started UI. Click, and then I just like paste build this UI scale. No, I don't. I don't kill the UI scale because React.dev. YouTube was deleting my messages. What? What? What did they do? It changes. That is crazy, bro. What is the size of this? The absolute size is. Why is it an odd number? It's 259. Ugh. Do you know the Roblox scripting language? I didn't see that you can make scripts in GPT because I always looked on YouTube. You can also make scripts with your brain too. If you know the Lego blocks to build the code like this button. I still have to figure out map and the scale here and how like I can control my animations a little bit more. Because I understand like this controls the sizing of it. So if I did like divided by 6 or oh, it's not as big that then yeah, that's bigger now. Okay. I guess it's 259 pixels, which is kind of sus. Plugins. I gotta use my cool plugin now. By tools. Open. Oh, Anchor. Properties. Open. Where's the one to center it? No, there's a way to do this. Yeah. Fast scale. Denied it. The ability to do what it wanted to do. Oh. Maybe I didn't need to get this plugin. Move background. That's angry about permissions now. um. Okay, now what? I'm so confused. Why did this not do the thing before? But if I size this at like 200 influenced by a UI scale. Happen. Oh. So weird how it's like, excuse me. Oh, I ran some garbage on the plugin. And it's 0.5.5. But the size is actually supposed to be one, but it's got I'm just gonna re-get those instances. I did something bad. Plugins. Oh, I'm moving it to the center again. We're gonna try this one more time where I open the editor for the anchor and set the anchor. Nice, that's all I wanted to do before. Styling. And then I just need to size you at like 259. That should be perfect in terms of sizing. With E 0. How can I make this not non-intrusive and not annoying? Because really, who I'm designing this UI for is the mobile device market. Ah. So what if I say like, dude, probably don't want the anchor point to be 0.5 here. Size. Oh. I'm gonna have to figure out how much offset is over here and then make it the same over here. And what does 300 look like? Not bad, but I almost want like consistency. UI corner, copy. Paste into. Yeah, the problem with this UI corner is that it's using scale, not offset. Five almost looks correct. Position to. Oh, I just love this. Figuring out UI is. Maybe I do bring it up in the center. I don't know. Gradient. We're just gonna copy the gradient. Broke. Paste this. I don't know if I like that. Maybe I actually do 0.5, 0.5. Oh, it's 100 pixels. Honestly, it should be 10 then. The position of this should be like 110. Perfect. But if I want to add another pixel offset, it should be anchor point is gonna. No. What did I do wrong? Is it 110 for like 100? Okay, well 10 is like perfectly aligned here. So is that perfect? So it'd actually be 90? That's so interesting. Where's the scale? Okay, here's the scale. I really want to make this just work with UI scale. Size 1. Now everything's going to be messed up. So I really need to figure out how to get the scale to 1 on a desktop and then set the scale to 0.7 on a phone, on a mobile device. I don't know how. I feel like that's going to be a lot of math. Why does this line look thicker than this line? Even though they are, oh, is it because of the whole by stroke? No, it just has a thickness of 1. Why is this line thicker than this line? Do I just, hold on. Yeah, it's definitely thicker on like everything. So do I actually need to make the UI stroke thickness 2 here to make it match this one? I don't know why it looks thicker. Yeah, it just looks like double. Rounds. I maybe just need to make can I make it like 1.5? I guess is like 50%. I don't understand. It still looks a bit larger than the other one. What if I did like 1.25? Order. That looks to be consistent. I'm so confused. Now what I want is this frame's size to be 500, 600. Uh, 550. Like, what is the full? Okay. What if I did 65, 66? That would be fire to have this type of UI, but then I can control like. It's obviously not going to look fantastic here because I would need to. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna have to do some math and get the viewport size. If I can get the viewport size, that might actually help a lot. Print. Workspace dot. Camera. 1548. This is just math, bro. The game dev math has appeared. One four five eight. Okay, that size is 1458. But you have 10 pixels here and 10 pixels here plus. You want to ask me something? Well, ask it. Plus 70 pixels. That makes sense. So it's actually 70 here, 10, 80, so 90. So its number should be 1548 minus Okay, and then this should be the number that is currently right here. Is 1458, which it is. And then if I want to make this match, I would just do 48. And that's how we design the UI. It's all going to be based, if I have the viewport frame, or the viewport size of Studio, I can literally just do math and check for things. I think. This could all be so much math, bro. And then I just scale it that way. Except, why does this look bigger than it should be? Oh, I'm not. If you can help me on Roblox Studio, depends on what you're asking for help for. Okay, I want to make everything pixel values. I'm crazy. I'm insane. This is gonna take a lot of work. Why we do game dev math. So this frame, I'm gonna have to make this all so dynamic. It's gonna be wild, bro. Lua language. Yes, Luau. It also depends on what you're trying to do with Luau. We'll have to send your question. Making an FPS game. I mean, maybe I have been studying a little bit of 3D math, but that sounds like a lot of 3D math. I don't understand some of the thicknesses. I also want I want pixel values. I just control it better. So the UI corner, instead of being 0.1, I wonder if that has something to. So the UI corner, 5 pixels. So if we make this UI corner 5 pixels, in Luau. Oh, I mean Lua U. I mean Luau. What is Oro sad? No. Actually, no, Flash games, but it's okay. What are you trying to do in your FPS game? I want more curve. I don't know if I want more curve on these devices. Yes, I do. Snowballs. Game with snowballs. That's a very fun concept and a lot of work. 10. Where are those UI corners? So easy to UI corner. Sidebar is UI corner. And then like this one, UI corner 10 pixels. It's adorable. I just don't know how I'm gonna implement all the other parts. uh. I'm just gonna have to like I'm just gonna have to fight with the math. I don't think to get what I want, I have to fight the math. Because I know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for full control of this UI with these values to be able to do the math that I want. Like I want this can be done. I think it can. Okay. Okay, this can all be this is so much math. This is so much math. I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. What a fire song. Are you a Max Martin connoisseur as I am? Okay, I have to figure out like paddings and then how many paddings I want and the size of different UI elements, and then at least I have a consistent style. I kind of like this UI gradient. I think this looks good. I just need to animate everything, which we do. It's cool that React has that nice little animation spring stuff. That's cool. That's helpful. I am changing that UI scale right now. Sidebar. UI scale is going to be 1. Fixed. Fixed. Oh, why does it? Oh, because there's a literal thing here. But if I like, yeah, there is the padding. It's just hard to see it. I kind of wish I could change the background to be like fully white or fully black for a little bit. I think I'm trying to do too much in my head right now. Because the goal I'm trying to figure out how to code is to have this perfectly scaled with the height up here and the height down here with the same amount of padding, which is 10 pixels, so it should be like 90 for the position, but also calculate the viewport size over here and have the perfect padding no matter what. So you open the menu and then you just have this beautiful frame that you can then like set to different that you can like divide in half to like literally 1/2 or 1/3 or whatever, and we'll cut it into thirds. But I don't think I need to do all of that. I think I can get the right size. I can scale it accordingly to work on mobile devices. He's a little too locked in. Definitely thinking a little too much about this. I can just UI aspect ratio and then have it be a box like this. And then it should be, well, if you have the right UI scaling, it should be fine on mobile devices. So what I need to check for is like the viewport size and to see if like how much it takes up. So I'll have some type of indicator to check the screen size, and if it like reaches a certain if it's a size too big, then it will just UI scale 0.7. Or okay, say we're not on a phone, but we're on like a Xbox One. Then we might need to scale it up. That might be an easy check actually. UI skills might actually make this relatively not horrible. It's almost double here. Interesting. How am I going to implement all this? Maybe I do it later after I've no, because I need to probably have all of the responsiveness in place when I'm designing the frames for the shops and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna kill this for now. Except for this frame. Which plugins? Codify. Generate the instances. Oh, good God. Why are you working on it? Okay, cool. Copy. And then the menu right now, and it is just going to go ahead and actually autofill react dot element. No. All of these lines of code, and then I'm going to say change if when actually like every dot. Maybe I do want variable names for sidebar for all these create element frames. So I'm like UI list layout. I'll work with that later. If this is returning this, it should like a story file. Returning component based UI. What does this look like in the Explorer? Components. Oh, that is core GUI. Oh, what game are you making? That's a good. It's some type of boxing workout game thing. Finished a Gojo moveset. What is that? Strongest abilities. I like the character Gojo. Battleground type things, I don't know. I didn't know if that was like some insane coding technique I hadn't heard of, which I don't think it is, but maybe it still is. Menu story Lua. Components. Was core GUI. I'm closing packages, and then I have components right here, and then right here it shows that. I see. Menu is literally this, and it just returns this. So it is a module, right? Meaning I should be able to require, let me rebuild the source map. Task, source map, continue. Took me 2 days to finish it. No crap, I learned everything but data storing. Ah, that's where you use profile service as a module and then don't think about using actual data stores. But yeah, data storage is, it's a task. Menu. Now auto import, components menu. We have the menu. Now let's just steal one of these stories. Whoa, Russia. Hello. So many imports. Okay. Root render react create element sidebar is going to be menu. Go for it. UI labs. Menu. Hey, it broke. We broke it. Type is invalid. Expected a string. Oh. What do you mean type is invalid? Create element sidebar. Create element menu. Well, if button and sidebar are proper components. Oh. They're returning create element. Return function, return create element frame. I don't know if this is return. No, this is returning create element frame. So why is it mad? I'm confused. Element type is invalid. Let's try this. Works. To make it a function. That's interesting. Because it's a functional component. That makes sense. Ah. You ban the Russian man? I mean, if he starts putting links in chat for people to click on, maybe, but why would I ban him otherwise? That sounds Russianist. Why is there just one output of uwu in chat? Where did this come from? Oh, is it? It is. Okay. Still thinking about how I'm doing this. Because with stories, that's all I do now. With React, that's all I do is I think without taking any action. Maybe by the time I actually start typing code instead of thinking about code, it's like thought out. You would think at least. That is a good way to test sidebar. Ooh, I should really learn like how to do the controls and stuff too. Whee! Um, okay. I need to figure out this reactive thing because once I do, I can like scale text and everything. This text better say, where is it? Frame, stats, click, text, title label. Title label has monster art. Good. It's bold. I don't think it needs to be black. That's way too much. Is it? Or does that just look better? I can't tell. What about extra bold? I can't really tell much of a difference, and I think this one is perfectly fine. But what does it look like if I don't have the UI stroke on the text? I think that almost looks better in my opinion. All right, what if we kill the UI stroke on buttons then? Title label. Here's a title label. Like, have this. Yet. Oh. This one's still using the old icon. Interesting. Fix that then. Stats. Sidebar should be this. So let's open button. Oh, icon. It's whatever the storybook is passing in. So in this case, not what I want. That is what I. There we go. Better. $5 o'clock. You're like, how long did I stream for yesterday? I should definitely go for longer, shouldn't I? Live. No, I only had like a 3-hour stream. Forcing myself to learn components, and this is now. I think week 4 has been pretty good. Week 4, week 4, week 4. I might work on this a little tiny bit offline. But I am like, I'm dying. I need to still do a lot of work, like around the house. Like I need to do dishes and like I want to clean the house a little bit. So I am going to end the stream, and I will be back next week, where my brain is not so fried. I think the Genshin Impact and the Osu did something inside of me. So, oh, are we playing? Here's the thing. You want to play the Genshin arc, but as a prereq for that, I should force myself to do at least 2 hours of good, solid work. No. 4 hours of good, solid work in the morning right when I get up. Because that way some work is getting done on this project. And I would like play with the boring parts offline where I'm trying to like fight aggressively with the reactive part to make it responsive and stuff. But yeah, so I'll plan for I shouldn't have anything that crops up. I'm done with jury duty. That's good. That's really good. What do I have on my calendar then? Because I have to make food too. So on Monday next week, nothing. It's literally the start of September. Awesome. September, ideally, is going to be the most productive month ever, except for the end of it. If we work super hard, then I can enjoy this part of September. Really want to, yeah, I do want to play the Archon Quest. Let me figure this out. I hate how I have to schedule all my time now because I'm doing too many things. I wake up. No, yeah, I wake up. Hopefully, that not waking up would be crazy. All of that garbage, working out or whatever. Giving myself 2 hours to do that. And I plan to wake up at like 5 o'clock. If I go to bed at 9, if I'm consistent with that, that'd be great. Okay, there should be no distractions or any reason I can't. So if I wake up at 5 o'clock, be done with everything and be ready to stream by 7. And then I can have a 12-hour stream, 7 to 7. Oh, but I'm not even in. That's a lot. That's so much time. We're the first 12 hours of it. So if I'm streaming at 7, it would be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can maybe do 5 hours of work and 7 hours of Genshin. I don't know how long the Archon's going to take. 5 hours of work, 7 hours of Genshin. That sounds way more balanced. Because then I could go till midnight. I'll figure it out. Okay. In the meantime, I have to figure out this thing. So while I like do dishes and stuff, I'm gonna think about how I can make this stupid thing reactive, or if I need to change everything to scale. It's so much. Maybe yeah, brush up on. I don't want to lose any of the. I don't want to just lose my memory when it comes to React. So I'm probably gonna be working on this, attempting every day, like for a couple hours, and do game dev math after. Okay. Anyways, adios. I will be heading out, and I will see you next Monday. Goodbye.